Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video I'm super excited because I'm sharing with you the Look Fantastic beauty box for February 2021. I will link my Look Fantastic playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a let's get unboxing. Look Fantastic is $19 a month. You get a mix of full and deluxe size products. I have a non-affiliate link and discount code if you would like to sign up for your box. In the link in my description below, you can get your first box for $1. $1. That is insane. I've never heard of any other subscription box doing that. Definitely take advantage of that deal, and then it's going to be $19 a month reoccurring after that. They also have different payment plans like 3, 6, and 12 months to help reduce on the cost as well. Definitely having winter blues right now, so I really like this pop of pastel in my face, getting us in the mood for spring. We have a little magazine of all of our products inside, and this is what the inside looks like. The first product is by IPSY. This is the Galactic Lid Gloss. There was 2 shades. You either received a Zodiac or Stardust, and we have Zodiac. This is a liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. Mess free and quick to apply with a glitter finish, which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. That's really exciting. I am not that familiar with liquid eyeshadows. It's just something that has never really sparked my interest, except I did buy a couple of these Stila ones. I recently used one in one of my Valentine's Day looks. I'll link that for reference. It actually turned out really good. So it's something I do want to further explore. This is going to be great. It's definitely more on the nudie side, so for those more neutral looks. This is what the shade Zodiac looks like. It definitely looks super metallic-y. I just have a eyeshadow brush right here. Ooh, wow. I like that. And this is what Zodiac looks like blended out. This is gonna look so pretty on the lids. I really like how reflective it looks. It's definitely gonna be something popping on the eyes. That's something I would like in a neutral look too. I want it to look a little bit more dramatic. Like, make it neutral but dramatic at the same time. And then the other shade, Stardust, my Stardust, would look so beautiful for cool tone looks. Now that I'm thinking about it, I kind of wish I got Stardust. Cool tone looks is something I definitely want to do a little bit more in 2021, since I'm always doing bold and bright or on the more neutral side. But either way, very excited about this. I've only used IQOS eyeliner and mascara, so it's really cool to try another product that they have to offer. It is super glittery. My hand is covered right now. But you know what? That's what glitter does. Glitter's gonna do what glitter's gonna do. Next by Illamasqua, this is the Beyond Veil. This is a combination of 2 Illamasqua's hero products, the Hydra Veil Primer and Beyond Powder. Interesting. This face primer is a hydrating and illuminating all-in-one. Apply it under makeup to help it last all day while also providing a luminous, natural looking glow. I'm very interested about this. Not gonna lie, I did try the Illamasqua hydrating veil and did not like it. So a combined product like this sounds super interesting. I haven't tried any products that is a primer and powder infused. That sounds like a really cool concept. And it doesn't look like the hydrating veil. It was a very jelly primer, and this looks very liquidy, and I definitely see the luminosity it's going for. Just gonna scoop a little, put it on my hand. That's what it looks like scooped out. It's hard to tell because of liquid eyeshadow swatch that was on my hand previously, but you can see a little bit of the luminosity. This actually feels hydrating, because the Hydra Veil that I used alone by itself in its own respective jar, it felt super drying. This feels so much better, and I'm actually very excited to try that. When I saw that this was infused up, I got very nervous. But that powder trend, I don't know if it came from TikTok or what. Nowadays, I just assume trends come from TikTok, but it's when you take setting powder, put on first, and then foundation. So this kind of reminded me of that, and that's a trend I've been wanting to do. I've heard that it's really good for oily skin, and I got dry skin. So I'm like, am I setting myself up to failure? This definitely sounds super intriguing. I definitely would like to see more brands take their approach on it because of how innovative it is. This could definitely be a makeup application game changer. Next by Balance Me, this is the AJ Glow Mask. This is a chemical facial exfoliant to brighten, purify, and plump your complexion, which I definitely need. My face has been so dry. I miss it looking very hydrated, plumped, all that good stuff. It is a blend of AHAs that help the shedding of dry or dull skin to reveal a natural, youthful, luminous glow beneath. This is what I need. I needed a product like this so bad. Suitable for all skin types, but particularly beneficial for blemish-prone skin. I'm so excited to give this a shot. I definitely just want to take off my face right now and put this on. The AHAs in this product contain lactic, malic, glycolic, tartaric acids, kaolin clay, and linden. You massage this onto cleansed skin, avoiding the eye area, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, and then remove with a damp washcloth. I really love AHA products a lot. I definitely find them really helping out my skin. When it's super dry weather, I don't exfoliate nearly as much. I reduce it to like once a week, and I definitely like something more like this as opposed to something that might be a little bit too grainy. As I've gotten older and experimented a lot with my skincare routine, I definitely have been preferring more of the chemical peels. It's definitely more of a gentler approach to exfoliation, and I feel like it exfoliates a lot better as opposed to something that's grainy. You're worried about micro tearing. I definitely have more sensitive skin, and part of that is contributed because of how soft my skin can be. It definitely gets a lot more irritated, so something like this just works out a lot better, and it recently has become my preference of exfoliation. Next, by Magnetone, this is the Wipeout Swipes. We received 2 microfiber cleansing pads that remove even the toughest of makeup with just warm water. Super soft and ideal for sensitive skin, that is me, as no cleanser is needed. Simply throw into the washing machine after use to reuse thousands of times. That means no more disposable makeup remover wipes going into landfill. I have definitely been working on just switching over to products like this. I have a handful of makeup erasers. I recently got like the e.l.f. round ones that are very comparable to the makeup halos. I've been wanting something like this size because of how big the halos and a makeup remover are. I've been wanting something though so I can reduce the waste of cotton rounds. I love cotton rounds for my cellar water. That is something that I go through constantly because of taking off particularly lash glue. It just loves to stay on your eyelids. So I think something like this actually might work out a little bit better because it's about the size of a cotton round to be able to apply toner in my cellar water. That is something I've been wanting to do next as I'm slowly working my way not using makeup wipes. I am still using them, unfortunately, because I still have a lot in bulk from Costco, and that's mainly how I remove my swatches. Definitely a huge fan of being more eco-friendly because them wipes are not biodegradable. Next, by Bubble Tea, this is the Strawberry Macaroon Hand and Body Butter. I've only tried this brand as sheet masks before, but I need all the hand cream I can get. Oh, this smells fantastic. Oh, you see what I did there? Look fantastic, smells fantastic. This is a thick cream, but it feels good on the hands though. My poor hands. It's like instant relief. This is a product I'm gonna implement right away. It's gonna go into my office while I do work. It's so interesting how fast my hands get so dry. Like, I know I'm gonna have to reapply after an hour, but I really like the immediate relief that I get. Super soft. I really like the scent. It's been really challenging finding a hand cream that has long lasting hydration without having to reapply so constantly. Definitely going through hand creams rather quickly. Definitely curious to see how well this works out for my poor chapped dry hands. The last product, there was a variation between Madeira SOS Hydra Recharge Cream or the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. And I received the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. This is one that's been on my radar for so long. I'm a huge fan of Elemis. It's super bougie, super luxurious, but their products have really worked out super nice for me. So exciting to be able to try it in this box. It is a natural exfoliating facial cream. I get so intrigued when toners, creams, all have the word exfoliating in it because that's like its own separate step with 7 active ingredients to repair, protect, and clarify your skin. Ideal for all complexions, this exfoliator gets rid of dense skin cells without harsh abrasion. That is something we already touched on with the Balance Me product. The result? Smooth, moisturized, and brighter skin. Those 7 active ingredients include papaya, pineapple, algae, seaweed extract, milk protein, sunflower oil, and vitamin E. How do you use? All over cleansed skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. Definitely curious to see how that's gonna rival Balance Me. I'm very excited to give both of them a shot. They both sound fantastic. I have high hopes for both. I cannot wait to implement them in my skincare routine. Overall, I thought this was a pretty solid box. I've only tried a few of the brands in this box, and if I did try the brand previously, it's like 1 or 2 products from them, so I have a bunch of new goodies to test out, and I am stoked. I'm most excited about this product right here. It has been something on my radar to get rid of the cotton rounds, find a more eco-friendly way of applying micellar and toners, so this definitely sounds pretty hopeful. But if it doesn't work out for that purpose, it's still gonna work out for at least eye makeup. I know I do struggle trying to remove eyelash glues. These feel so soft, so I don't feel like it's gonna irritate my lid. I'm really excited about this hand cream. The scent is still lingering, which is really awesome because a lot of women's products, the scents just go away kind of instantaneously. I really hope it doesn't cause a headache. I am sensitive to some scents, but I really like how soft and smooth my hands still feel. I would love to know, do you guys get Look Fantastic? Did you guys get the same box as me? Or did you get the other variations offered this month? And are you guys looking forward to March's box? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.